This is history in the making. The canal that Haitians are building in Wanamit is well on its way. This week, the engineers tested the canal to ensure that everything is functioning properly, and all the tests came back positive. Now, there's much more that has to be done, but Haitians are celebrating this monumental victory. We are progressing, we are advancing, we won't be stopped. This canal is a reminder that as challenging as times may be, there is always hope. It's a reminder that our unity is our strength and that Haitians are the solution to Haiti's greatest problems. Kanal la pap kampe and Haiti pap peli.